Hello guys. In this video, we are installing the headlights. They are in a pretty good shape. For now, I just wanna clean them at the back, put them on a car to see if everything fits well. So what I've noticed, there is no plastic mount right over here. Probably I'll need to figure out something with it, but for now, let's just continue with cleaning. Okay, so I cleaned the headlight. Definitely better than it was before. And now I need to remove this metal covers so they won't be on my way to put the headlights. Here's our first problem. So the problem is that the air filter is sitting right down there and this pipe is taking too much space here. So I cannot just slide in the headlight. For now, I'll just remove it and then I'll figure out what's gonna be the other placement of it. And now let's just finish this side. Okay, so the headlights are installed, and one more thing for today, I will try to remove, the rear spoiler. The top part of the spoiler is removed. Now I have to remove these two legs. So finally I've removed the spoiler mounts. Now let's just clean all the dust that were collected during the years here. Okay, so I cleaned the surface as much as it was possible. Overall it looks not horrible, but it is what it is. But for now, I have these 4 rubber stoppers. So yeah, I'll just plug them right over here. So I ended up putting some plastic clips instead of the rubber stoppers. I used these plastic clips. Okay guys, let me show you what the car looks like at the moment. So as you can see, I installed the turn signals. These ones I got from the Aliexpress. I will leave the link in the description. So if you need ones, just go and check them out. In terms of the actual headlights, Stan tried to polish them. So at the moment they are looking better if we put them side by side, so you can see like this one is like brand new, this one is kind of okay, because still you can see the numbers that the Junkyard put on the headlight. Probably I'll be going with these headlights, but later on I'll just order the new plastic covers and yeah, I'll just change them. So at this moment I'm happy how the car looks outside. So in the next videos we'll be working on the mechanical part of the car. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, leave the comments, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Woke up today, smile on my face, may not go my way, still got my face, so I'll be okay. be okay.